Hi everybody, Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo here. We're coming to you from the Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel, and if you get a chance, go take a look at that channel on YouTube, Cooking with KooKoo. Subscribe and you'll get notices about all our videos. And today we are continuing our trilogy or our story of summer sides. Right now we're getting ready to make some barbecue potato salad. I can't wait to try this. It uses the Kansas City barbecue sauce, and so I'm going to get started right now and cut up some Yukon Golden potatoes, a little bit, about a pound and a half, for barbecue potato salad. Okay, we got our potatoes here, and now we're going to go onto the stove, and we are going to cook these until they are fork tender. All right, we got our potatoes cooked, and we got our ingredients together, so we're going to put our potato salad together. We got to chop and dice a half a cup of red pepper, and I believe it's half a cup of sweet. We have a red onion here that we're going to use. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now, we are going to put in our liquid ingredients. 1 cup mayonnaise. And it's so simple. It's KooKoo Exchange Pod and Bean Kansas City barbecue sauce. That's where the barbecue comes in for barbecue potato salad. 1/4 of a cup of Kansas City barbecue sauce, scientifically measured by my eye, which could be a question mark. Ooh. Okay, we got it mixed up. Good. Can we put your stuff in now? So here we cooked up about a pound and a half Yukon Gold potatoes. It's supposed to be a half a cup of red onion, half a cup of red pepper. And I just went nuts on the chopping, so we're just gonna put her all in there. Look at it. Is it magic? It's got my mouth watering. So I almost blew it. This is definitely crispy bacon. Gotta know when to take it off, but look at that. It's going to be so good. We are going to let that chill for just a few minutes in the refrigerator. All right. So we've had our potato salad cooling a little bit in the refrigerator. Let it sit, and it's time to try it. And got some scooped out here. Very good. Really good. What I really like about this is it's so good yet so simple. I mean, you have mayonnaise and Kansas City barbecue sauce, and put some onions and peppers in there. It's just superb. If you're liking these videos, if you like the potato salad video, it'd be great if you subscribe to Cooking with KooKoo. That's our video channel, Cooking with KooKoo, and subscribe to that, and you'll get to see when our videos come out. There'll be notifications, and you can take a look at our full library of videos. We'd appreciate it very much. And also, while you're at it, go on over to Facebook and like our page, KooKoo for KooKoo. We have announcements on there when we're having events, and sometimes when the KooKoo Exchange has sales, we'll announce that. And it'd be great if you do that. You get to know us pretty well. It has been nice, showing you what we can offer on summer sides, and we hope to see you again next time. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo. Was that good?